Yo, what's going on, everybody? It has been 2 weeks since the last video, which of course you guys saw. I tried to take the car up to Louisville to drop it off for paint, and today I'm driving back to Louisville, so let's hope that today's drive goes a little bit better. Obviously I don't have a 10,000 pound trailer behind me, so that's great news. Should be fine. So this weekend is Street Rod Nationals, I believe, which is kind of like an old school car, hot rod type deal. And I was planning to go up to go work on the car, but I've been having a hard time finding this one trim piece that I need from a junkyard. And so I don't know if I'm actually going to get to work on the car this weekend, but in today's video, I'm just going to drive to Louisville, hang out with some people tonight. Hopefully there's going to be some rowdy shit going on because, hopefully there's going to be some rowdy shit going on because I have already seen some stuff on social media. So hopefully it's an entertaining video. But anyways, let's make this drive not in 10 hours, in like an hour and a half like it's supposed to be. About to rock up to the fairgrounds where everything is going on this weekend. Hopefully there is plenty of stuff going on still. The sun has just gone down. I hope that doesn't make a difference. I hope people are still getting rowdy. I don't know, we'll see. Sorry if the wind's loud. I drove past the exit and there is just smoke. There's just smoke everywhere. I'm fucking hyped as shit right now. Goddamn, sky is beautiful as fuck. We're about to see some burnouts. What more could you fucking ask for on a Friday evening? I mean, I could definitely ask for no traffic, but we'll just ignore that. Like, this reminds me of the Dream Cruise, like, so much. This is fucking ridiculous. Bruh. ACR.
Ooh. Hi, fans.
Who's fucking man?
Who's dad? Who's dad?
Who's dad?
Your dad. I don't have a belt on.
Come on.
They're kind of falling off a little bit.
Whoa, wait. What does this mean, though? What does this mean?
This means, buying a Volkswagen. Buying a Corvette. Soon. I'm looking for a C6 Z06, so if any of Liam's viewers see one, let me know, because I'm in the market.
That's a fucking cheap Liberty.
Welcome to the Ville.
I've never seen a donk on mud tires. I'm not sure if that's technically a donk. Does it? Yeah, the crafter. Yeah. Holy fuck. In this shirt too?
Yeah, absolutely. Large mulleted man driving a lifted Crown Vic. I got a lot of looks on the highway. No way.
He's absolutely, no, yeah, he's laying a track right now.
Yeah.
I guarantee this dude is watching this video right now. He's like, oh, that's me. Guarantee.
Street Rods Part 2. I didn't go to the show today. It's just way too hot, and I figured I'm going to see pretty much everything I want to here. But it's already crazy, and I swear to God they're going to have to repave this entire road tomorrow. It is so bad, but it's also so great at the same time. Tons of fucking insane cars out here. As you can see, the smoke up ahead. We're going to find somewhere to park and watch burnouts all night.
I know that thing got a fucking turbo on it. There it is.
Now the hard part is finding somewhere to fucking park. First thing I see when I hop out the truck. Fuck me. Okay.
Hey, you want to sell that truck? Hey, you don't want it no more.
I like this.
I like this a lot.
I used to run autos.
Just only because you're wearing that.
Can I get
Where'd you buy that?
What? LAPautomotive.com.
Wait, look.
What is it?
Lambo doors on the vent.
Where? Where?
Right here, look.
Oh shit!
Do it, Bernie!
This entire thing this evening is just dailies and fucking trucks. Last night was off the charts. Tonight ain't it. This is not street rods at all.
still going. Fucking.
This has got to be Liam's new fucking new opening video. There we go.
You can't see me. Oh, I'm right there. They are going to town right now. Look at these motherfuckers.
Alright, well, I'm gonna end off the video. It was a little bit of a bust. Last night was a lot better. I mean, it was still fun, but like, it was just a little bit more reckless. Oh, it's dark. A little bit more reckless, lots of dumbass kids. I really just wanted to see cool cars doing shit, and it was kind of just shit cars and trucks doing shit, but it is what it is. It was fun regardless. Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, pretty good time. Even though I didn't go to the show, I did see some cool cars this weekend, saw some sweet trucks, but yeah, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in another video.